In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change line spacing in Squarespace, step by step, 2025. Start by opening your web browser and heading to the Squarespace website. On the homepage, choose Login, then sign in with your account. Once you're in, you'll see a list of your sites. Pick the website you want to work on so we're adjusting the right place. From there, click Go to Website to open the site dashboard, then enter the editor by selecting Edit Site. Inside the editor, you'll also see an edit button for the page you're viewing. Click that so you can see live changes as you tweak your design. Next, look for Site Styles. This is where global design controls live, and it's the best place to make consistent typography changes that apply across your site. In Site Styles, find the Fonts section and expand it by clicking the arrow. You'll see options grouped by type, typically headings and paragraphs. Headings control titles and section headers, while paragraphs control your body text. Decide which one you want to adjust first. If your text looks cramped in body copy, choose paragraphs. If your titles are too spread out or too tight, choose headings. Click the option you want to modify. You'll get a detailed panel for that text style. Look for the control labeled line height or line spacing. This is the slider that changes how much vertical space appears between lines of text. Drag the slider to the left to tighten the spacing, or to the right to give your text more breathing room. Watch the live preview as you move it so you can see exactly how the change affects your page. A tighter line height can look bold and compact, but be careful not to push it so far that your text becomes hard to read. On the other hand, generous spacing can feel airy and modern, but too much can make paragraphs look disjointed. A helpful guideline for readability is to aim for a moderate line height, often in the 1.3 to 1.6 range for body text, while headings usually work well a bit tighter. If you switch between headings and paragraphs, repeat the same adjustment so both feel balanced together. Consistency matters. Matching the feel between headings and paragraphs helps your site look polished. When you're happy with the spacing, take one last look at a few pages or sections to confirm it works well in different contexts, like longer paragraphs and short captions. That's it, you've successfully changed your line spacing in Squarespace.